Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to get Fiverr profile QR code. To get Fiverr profile QR code, you have to make sure that you are logged in either by using the official website fiverr.com or by using the application. Here, I'll be using the application. Now, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Here, tap on the QR icon located on the top right. Here, you can scan QR code. To view your QR code, you have to tap on My QR code and your QR will be presented right here. By simply scanning this QR code, others can instantly add you to their contacts, reducing the chances of error. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.